large passive buy order in bank nifty at the lows, now price consolidating as its absorption of these buyers. Are you talking about this 1974 that I can see on the chart? Are you talking about this order? This looks like a stop hunt, but where has it happened? That is an important question. So if I squeeze this, there is nothing actually. There is nothing where that could have happened. All right, maybe some very far off old references. See, that's what I'm saying. You need to understand the mechanisms of these orders as such. All right, market can recover. Market can look below this low and it can recover. I'm not saying that it won't recover, but just these big numbers, usually they attract traders, especially if someone is new to it. And I have done that mistakes on plenty of occasions. Sometimes the market reverses. I'm not saying it never reverses. Sometimes it will reverse and it will give you remarkable profit because you have basically caught the bottom of the move. But then sometimes, like, you see this, you buy, market comes and hits your stop loss, you buy here, goes a little higher, comes back and hits your stop loss, and that goes on for a while. Because what you are doing, first you are buying below the VWAP because you are fading the move, you are catching falling knives and all those kinds of things. So this in itself is a low probability trade. Forget about the order flow thing. If this was happening somewhere here, like market is higher and then it suddenly falls and then it goes below that recent swing low and then gives some sort of a stop hunt, then I'm very eager to join these traders. But this is happening below VWAP. I have no business trading here. This is dangerous. All right, this is very dangerous. And then you can justify it in 100 different ways. Smart money is coming in, this is happening, passive orders, active orders, whatever. You can find 100 different terminologies and try and justify this particular market behavior because you want to catch the lowest tick of the day. All right, okay, you buy, I'm not stopping you from buying, but then why are you buying right now when the one time framing is going on? Range extensions are happening. Okay, there is some exhaustion here, but let it prove it to you that it is an exhaustion. Where does it prove? At least one time framing has to stop. At least we need to go and start climbing above the VWAP. Then the probabilities shift in your favor, and then you can say that okay, I can go and take a long. See here, your risk is very low. All right, but so is the probability. Probability is so low here that it does not make any sense to try and take a trade here. No, you may not be buying, but that's what I'm saying, that people think like that. Yeah, if now the market recovers and it stops one time framing and it goes towards VWAP, scales VWAP, then you can say, come back and say that okay, that order was important. But that will happen on 10 different places and not every time the market will recover. Then what will you do? That's the issue.